Hello, my name is Patrick Lant. I want to welcome you, introducing you to Stage 1 video called Tai Chi Fundamentals. In this video, you will learn the very important technique that is used in Tai Chi. It's called the Tai Chi breath. Now, I can't stress to you enough the importance of learning the basics first and well. There are many things to learn that are considered basic, but they are the foundation on which everything else is built, and therefore the most important. Now again, before watching this video and learning its contents, you should read the article Building Blocks and then the article Tai Chi Breath. It will explain a lot of the things that you will need to know for this video. So you should watch those first. Now, I'm going to demonstrate for you what it is talking about in the article Tai Chi Breath, in which we use the muscles of the abdomen and the chest and the throat to achieve complete inhale and complete exhale. This is imperative. You must use this specific technique in your Tai Chi practice in order to achieve maximum health benefit. Now first, I'll demonstrate it facing the camera and then to the side, so you can see really how much air I am taking in. Now again, the analogy of the Tai Chi breath is like a bucket of water. You pour water into a bucket, the bottom of the bucket fills up first and then up to the top. And as you pour the water out, the reverse happens. So is the same with the Tai Chi breath. Now, to begin, you will expand the abdominals. And starting to stretch the lung as much as possible. You will feel your chest expanding. You will force your chest out with your muscles to help your lungs take in breath. And finally, you will expand your throat to take in as much air as you can possibly draw in. And the reverse will happen as you exhale. You will collapse or press in the throat, press in the chest, and crunch in the abdominals. This will be very apparent when I turn to the side. You'll be able to see it much easier. Now, starting front view, expanding the abdominals, taking in always through the nose, exhaling always through the mouth. Okay? Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You should very quickly and easily see a big difference between how you normally breathe and the Tai Chi breath. Now, I must stress to you a couple of very important points. Breathing in Tai Chi should be rhythmic, in that your inhale should take the exact same amount of time as your exhale. Same amount of time. Also, never at any time hold your breath. Now, if you're unable to breathe in completely as much as I am, or exhale for that matter, then just do it to your capacity. And at any time during the practice of the forms you will learn later, or the techniques you will learn today, it is not completely necessary for you to inhale as much as your body will allow, or exhale as much as your body will allow. As long as your breaths are slow, controlled, rhythmic, and never holding your breath. Okay? Now let's turn to the side, and you'll really see how much I'm inhaling and exhaling. Now, to start with, again, expanding the abdominals. Good. Now, you can see a couple more very important points. Is I'm not slouching. Okay? Body needs to remain upright. At no time during your practice should you be looking at your feet or the floor, or looking down, or slouching in any way. Also, notice that I'm not filling up my mouth full of air, not inhaling and going, or exhaling like that. Leave it up to the throat, abdominals to the throat, and as you practice this technique, you will feel your lungs expanding to their utmost capacity. You will feel yourself as if you were filling up because of the chain of the muscles. Now this may seem like a very simple thing to do. Tai Chi breath. It may seem very, very simple, but it is very, very important. It is often not even taught to Tai Chi beginners. But to achieve the maximum health benefit, you must breathe in this way. Now, we're going to take this Tai Chi breath and put it along with some movements. These are actually movements of Yang style Tai Chi, of which eventually in later stages you will learn forms. You'll be putting these movements that you learned today right into those forms. So, to help you practice the Tai Chi breath, we will do the breathing in coordination with the movements. Now, how we do that is generally, the rule of thumb is as you are lifting, you are inhaling. And as you're pressing away from the body, just like your air is leaving your body, you will exhale. Also, in some movements, you will be drawing your arms in toward your body. As you're drawing in, you inhale. And as you expand out, you exhale. So, this first movement is called gathering leaves in a basket. It's very simply done. Feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. Always keep knees bent, but that will be more important later than it is today. Okay? Now, remembering to start with the abdominals, go to the chest and then the throat. On the inhale, reverse on the exhale. Always inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Now, the type of motion we'll be doing is a lifting as we inhale and expanding out as we exhale. It will be a continuous motion, just like your breathing should be. So as you start to come up, you inhale. As you start to go out, exhale. See how it is slow and rhythmic and in coordination with the movements. So to begin, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. You may feel a certain sensation in your hands and arms. If you don't feel it at this point, it's not important. You will feel it later. But the sensation you may be feeling is kind of a rush through your arms. As you lift them, they become somewhat tingly, maybe starting in your fingertips first, as dropping they may tend to feel a little heavy, a little swollen. That is the beginning of your sensation of chi, which is very important. As an intermediate, you will learn how to feel this flow of chi. Eventually, as advanced, you will learn to guide it through your body without even the need for movement. Now, the next movement you will learn to practice this is a movement called wave hands like clouds. Now, again, as we draw up with the right hand, my right hand, I will be inhaling. As I turn and do the left hand, I'll be exhaling. Inhale with the right, exhale with the left, arms in constant motion, just like breathing. So to begin, inhale through the nose, was wave hands like clouds. Final movement, final arm movement we will be learning today is a little more complex. It is called grasp bird's tail. And this deals what I explained before about drawing in towards one's body as inhaling, exhaling as we press away. Now, there is basically 3 movements to grasp bird's tail. They can all be done starting right foot back, left foot forward. You'll have your right foot at a 45-degree angle, pointing off this way, the left foot pointing the direction that you're facing. Okay? Knees bent and weight distributed evenly. You'll begin with holding the ball position, coming up, lean forward, exhaling, turn the palms over, rocking back, be inhaling, pressing forward, exhaling, drawing in both hands, inhaling, pressing out, exhaling. Okay? So to begin, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and repeat. Inhale, again, that was grasp bird's tail. Now, this may be a bit advanced for someone who's just starting with Tai Chi. You may want to rewind the tape, learn the movements first by themselves, and then add the breathing. Learning them all at once might be a little bit much, but I wanted to give you something to practice with that is along with a series of Tai Chi for Health. It's a health benefit. You can practice these movements over and over and achieve real health benefit using the breathing in coordination with the movements. Now, I'm going to show you one last exercise that you can practice that will help circulation in the legs as well as leg strength and overall body balance, which will come into much help for you later on as you learn forms. Now, I just simply call these leg circles. What you'll want to do, start with all of your weight on your left leg, your foot pointed 45 degrees, and bring the right leg up, simply in circles. Now, you should be relaxed, okay? Breathing should be relaxed also, but not necessarily in coordination with your movements, okay? This is an exercise in circulation and again balance and leg strength. You should coordinate and concentrate on your movements so that all of your focus is on your legs and your feet. And switching legs, again, all of your weight on your right leg now, foot pointed 45 degrees, the left leg now will do the circles. Again, your mind, your body should be relaxed. Your breathing should also be relaxed. Concentration totally on the left leg and foot. These exercises are not to be underestimated in value. Remember the Bhakti Creed. It may look like a useless rock, but treat it as a brick of gold. If you learn these exercises and learn them well, you will not only achieve health benefit, but things that you learn in the future, you will learn much faster, much easier. So, rewind the tape, practice them over and over. The better you become at really learning the Tai Chi breath and learning these movements, the easier it will be for you to learn the next stages. I am Patrick Lant, and this is the end of your Stage 1 video.